सारे CSR के इनिशिएटिव्स भी लिए हैं। वनधारा प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट किया, बहुत सारे, जैसे कि मेरे टीम मेंबर ने बताया, बहुत सारे प्लांट्स लगाए। तो उसके लिए उन्होंने जो भी पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट किया, उससे उन्होंने इन्वायरमेंट के लिए भी बहुत कुछ किया। तो जो ये कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन है, यहाँ पे ये एंड हो जाता है। थैंक यू।
Any other question? Any other question? Last question from my side. Can you please tell something about the triple bottom line with reference to corporate social responsibility?
So triple bottom line is a concept of CSR in which company follows the 3 P's principle: people, profit and planet rule, in which people means taking care of their stakeholders, KMP and board members, and profit, अगर फाइनेंशियल प्रॉफिट नहीं रहेगा तो वो CSR कैसे करेंगे, इसलिए प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन भी ज़रूरी है, तभी तो CSR होगा। एंड प्लेनेट, अगर हमें सस्टेनेबिलिटी का ध्यान रखते हुए अपने प्लेनेट, अपने इन्वायरमेंट, अपने सोसाइटी के लिए भी इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा।
Very good, very nice. Thank you. So this presentation has so many good qualities like our previous one. All the presentation by now have been wonderful, and they have taken a lot of lessons from the previous presentation. Therefore, they have improvised a lot. We can't say that this is only the recorrection from the previous slides, previous presentation. It can be said to be their own innovation and creativity that has brought so many changes and coordination in their group and presentation. They stood up quite in line with the serial of their presentation. They came serially and nobody fumbled at all. Everybody was very clear and everybody used some examples as well. This was not only the conceptual knowledge that they were carrying, but in order to make the conceptual knowledge home to all the audience, they used several examples, and at the end they answered all the questions very well. Even when some of the questions were vague and not very clear, like one asked by her, but it was well clarified by the team in a very good manner and in a very lucid way. Lastly, I put up my own questions that was a little deviated. Still, they could answer it very well, and this way we can say this group has set another benchmark for the coming groups who will be making their presentations tomorrow. Tomorrow is holiday for you. Your class is not there? Saturday? मंडे को ऑफ रहता है। ओके, तो कल आपका क्लास क्या 12 बजे से हो सकता है? आपका तो वैसे 12 से ही होता है ना रोजाना?